Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk, and today I'm going to be talking about knee sesamoid bone injury treatment. Now, it's important that you know that you may be entitled to free private medical treatment for an injured kneecap sesamoid bone from specialists local to your area. Also, if needed, you could receive guidance and advice from one of our panel of private specialists who might suggest use a special chair or crutches to allow your injuries to heal quicker. Sesamoid bone kneecap injuries may differ. Now, as no two injuries are the same, speaking to a private specialist without having to worry about any hefty medical fees could make all the difference in terms of your recovery. Now, if you've had an accident that was not your fault, you could qualify for free sesamoid bone kneecap injury treatment from a specialist in your local area. Contact us to find out if you're eligible for free private treatment from a sesamoid bone kneecap specialist. That may also include physio treatment if needed by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. We're also going to be going over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with an injury involving your sesamoid bone on kneecap. Now, if you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've sustained a sesamoid bone kneecap injury following an accident that wasn't your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. Now, in order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with sesamoid bone kneecap injury claims. You may qualify for free private treatment if the accident which resulted in your injury was down to the negligence of others by bringing a claim for compensation. You won't be expected to pay anything up front, and we'll ensure that all costs are covered if you decide to bring a claim with us. So call our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 in order to find out if you're eligible, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. If you've sustained a sesamoid bone kneecap injury, the NHS advised to try these things first. Put as little weight as possible on the knee. For example, avoid standing for a long time. Use an ice pack or a bag of frozen peas wrapped in a tea towel on your knee for up to 20 minutes every 2 to 3 hours. Take paracetamol. Now, for non-urgent advice, see a GP if it does not improve within a few weeks. You cannot move your knee or put any weight on it. Your knee locks, painfully clicks, or gives way. Painless clicking is normal. Urgent advice. Get advice from 111 now if your knee is very painful, your knee is badly swollen or has changed shape, you have a very high temperature, feel hot and shivery, and have redness or heat around the knee. This can be a sign of infection. 111 will tell you what to do. They can tell you the right place to get help if you need to see someone. Common causes of knee pain. Now, knee pain can be a symptom of many different conditions. A doctor will suggest treatment based on the condition causing your pain. They might refer you to a hospital for a scan or specialist treatment, for example, surgery, prescribe medication or physiotherapy. Do not self-diagnose. See a GP if you're worried. So if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a sesamoid bone kneecap injury and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we will be more than happy to hear from you. Now, you should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. If we take your case on, we will be happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid your recovery and aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way should you require any further treatment in order to help your recovery. They'll be able to advise you on sesamoiditis treatment, go over sesamoid surgery pictures to help demonstrate the extent of your injury, look into sesamoiditis taping, explain the sesamoid bone function, advise on how to prevent sesamoiditis as well as chronic sesamoiditis. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no win, no fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.